हूँ शेफ अकरम। आज का जो वीडियो टॉपिक है शेडेड चिकन ग्रीन पेपर। ये हमारा चाइनीज का बहुत बढ़िया डिश है, बहुत लाजवाब डिश है। बहुत अधिकतर लोग ये डिश लाइक करते हैं यहाँ पे कस्टमर हमारा। तो ये बहुत लाजवाब डिश है आज का शेडेड चिकन ग्रीन पेपर। आज के वीडियो टॉपिक में रेसिपी पर है आपसे। उससे पहले मैं आपसे अनुरोध करता हूँ, हमारी वीडियो को अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। आज के जो वीडियो में रहेंगे हमारा शेफ स्टीवन, जो अफ्रीकन शेफ है। आज वीडियो में हमारा वही रहेंगे। आज बना के दिखाएंगे वो कि शेडेड चिकन किस तरह बनाया जाता है। ऑलरेडी हम उसको बता चुका हूँ कि इस डिश किस तरह बनता है। सिर्फ वीडियो के अंदर में आज वही रहेंगे। तो मिलते हैं शेफ स्टीवन से।
Good evening, my friends. Good evening, viewers. Good evening, all our fans all over. Happy Sunday to you all. I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you have a wonderful time. Keep safe, enjoy yourself, and be safe. Don't look for trouble, and love yourself. Today, I'm still Chef Steve, the Chinese chef, you know. And today I'm going to take you another edition of shredded chicken with green pepper. Shredded chicken with green pepper. Chicken breast. I cut it into shredded. This is shredded. You can see it. This is shredded. This chicken breast. I cut it into shredded. Fresh. This is my egg. This is my corn. This is my flour. And this is my corn flour. We come here. This is my water. This is my ginger. This is my garlic. This is my scallion. And this is the shredded capsicum. Shredded capsicum, I cut it also same the way I cut my shredded chicken. You see it. And when you come here, this is my sesame oil. This is my oyster sauce. This is my chili powder. This is my ajinomoto, and this is my salt. Yeah, this is my shredded chicken. I'm going to mix it right now. I'll break my egg, put a little, you see my egg inside, put some little of flour, I'll put corn flour, I'm mixing it, I'll put a little of salt, put a little of ajinomoto, and little of chili powder. Put chili powder with a little of water, not much. Mix it. And mix it like this so that it will be very soft when I'm frying it. I want you to make it so that it will not be hard. Mix it like this. I'm mixing is enough. I'm taking it to my frying pan, to my already deep oil. Now I'm going to fry it now. I put it into a deep oil. You see? See the way I'm frying it, you see? It's frying. See? Now it's ready. I'm taking it out. Now remember, you cannot only fry. If you don't like frying, you can make it straight. But I choose to fry it. It's ready. And now I need to put my fry pan in the fire. Allow it to heat a little. Heat hot a little, and I put my oil. Remember, it doesn't take much time. My oil hot. Put in my little of garlic, a little of ginger, and stir it. I like to be a bit brown, not much brown. And if you don't like to fry the chicken, you can put it straight like this. After toasting your garlic and ginger, you can put it straight like this. You must not fry it if you don't like frying. And later I put my shredded capsicum. see, toast my shredded capsicum a little, and I put my water, my stock. Put my stock. Not much water. I don't need much water. Now I'm putting my salt. Putting my salt. Putting my white pepper. Putting my ajinomoto. Putting my salt. Putting my sesame oil. Sesame oil. Put my oyster sauce. Allow it to boil. Remember, whenever you are making, don't forget to taste your food and check your salt limit and other stuff. I put it here. It's nice now. Ready right now. You can see. I've checked mine and it's okay and it's good for me to go. Put my white onions. Put my white onions. Then I put my shredded chicken. It's my shredded chicken already inside. My shredded chicken inside. And check it. The chicken. It's a very nice sauce and you can use it with any of your choice of rice. That rice veg, white shrimps, white rice, and it's very good to go. Don't forget my spring onions. It's ready. Yeah. I want the steak. It's ready to go. Remember, when you watch, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we make us to impress us. We are going to give you more and more. We love you. Subscribe and like. I'll give you more. Thank you.